Activate mag boost.
It's like standing on the side of a skyscraper. This is bad.
We'll be fine.
Chief's down there, huh?
Let's find out. Spartan Jameson Locke broadcasting on all UNSC frequencies. Sierra 117, please respond.
Guardian's moving.
Get moving. Reach a low enough altitude where it's safe to jump.
Crawlers ahead.
Don't stop. Shoot and run. Stay in the middle. Watch out for gaps.
Shake us off! What's that sound?
Right place?
Let's try this again. Spartan Jameson Locke to Sierra 117. Please respond. Chief.
How the hell are you here?
Long story, sir. Cortana's been activating Forunner.
So this is the right place.
Hello.
That's a monitor.
I am 031 Exuberant Witness, monitor of the Genesis installation. Welcome. Have you also come to stop Cortana from claiming the mantle?
The mantle?
A forced peace upon the galaxy. The threat of death overpowering any celebration of life. Unless you join with the other humans and stop her, it is your future. Accessing your communication systems. Oh, by the way, there are a number of hostile visitors just outside, so I brought you this. I assume it will be of use to you.
Scorpion? Yeah, I reckon we can make use of that.
I found it among the detritus of Guardian 3209's arrival.
Watch that ghost there!
The Guardian slipspace bubbles are bringing a considerable amount of rubbish from their origin planets.
Somebody ought to tell these guys they already lost the war.
They want to fight? Let's give them one.
Gonna stop that ghost dead!
Look out!
Guardian!
Why has she called so many? A single Guardian can effectively police a solar system. This show of force is unsettling.
Sorry, police? Show of force?
Indeed. Guardians are how the Forerunners enforced peace in the lower systems. As you see, Genesis's defenses are targeting the invaders. Unfortunately, the defenses will consider you invaders as well.
It's your installation. Can't you tell them to let us through?
No. Between Warden and Cortana, most of my administration privileges have been revoked. But worry not. I still have control of some aspects of this facility.
Phaeton on me! Let's handle that brain! Knock that thing off its ghost! Taking turret fire!
I think there's less of them now than there were, which I assume is your objective?
Scorpion's under fire! Coming up on a knife. Knight's losing armor! Hit those cores!
Warden is going to notice this commotion. Be quick.
Looks like the road ends here.
Exuberant?
One moment. I will open this.
Gunner seat here. Don't see any targets.
Follow me. The gateway is almost ready. Hurry!
What is the gateway?
It is a bridge between the domain and Genesis. Within that building, Cortana will be reborn into the physical world. There!
Covenant.
And the Master Chief is there.
Cortana has had the other humans wandering in circles within the gateway facility for some hours. She is preparing for something, but just what is unknown.
Friends are taking fire.
Genesis is really a magnificent planet. It's usually less busy. Quite lonely, actually, but magnificent. Oh my! I never was in combat before. This is rather distressing and exciting. Yes, I can see now why the Warden is troubled by your presence. You're quite destructive.
Picked off a grunt. Knight's cores are exposed. Dreads are taking fire. Enemy Phaeton!
I must admit, I do find this rather exhilarating, in spite of myself. You may want to hurry. Cortana is attempting to activate several high-level communication systems.
How much time do we have?
Very little. Not enough. Almost none, in fact. Your vehicle is not coping well with the stress of combat.
Front hit! Let's handle that raid! Raid got me! Knock that thing off its ghost! Hold her steady! Here comes
This way, straight ahead.
raise the path!
There you are. Oh, I can work bridges too, it seems. Most exciting. Come along. Hurry, humans. The gateway is
Monitor, why do you aid these humans?
I have bad news, humans. The Warden has found us.
We dealt with him before.
And you likely will again. He is rather tenacious. Why do you help me, Scylla? It is not protocol. It is not right. Fantastic. I am so happy you survived. But still victorious.
How so?
This late in her plans, every second Cortana gains is a gift. Quickly now. The gateway is just behind that hill.
117. If you can hear me, we are approaching the gateway. Hold.
Cortana's still blocking the comms?
Indeed. But I can assure you that the humans are still in the gateway.
I have misjudged you, lot. I have mistaken your behavior as tenacity, when it is in fact suicidal foolishness.
Watch for snipers in the back!
You have fought a worthy battle, Spartans. But your fight is done.
Enemy advancing! Watch it!
Let us battle our last.
the stars. You are as deadly as ever. You are doing a fantastic job, humans. The Warden is furious. Your fighting skills are impressive. Warden will soon be defeated. At least these bodies will be defeated. Warden himself... Oh, ignore me. You're doing wonderfully. You've almost done it. Keep fighting. Perfect. The Warden is quite humiliated, I assure you.
Yeah? A robot can feel humiliation?
Oh, Warden is not a robot. I thought you understood that. Follow me. There, the others.
Chief! Chief, please, wait. Cortana.
She's dangerous. I know.
You don't have to do this alone. We're here to help you.
You're too late to do anything.
Cortana. No!
Oh no. She should not have brought him so close to her. This will push the Warden past all restraint.